Morning everyone, it's Saturday, October the 17th. We've had a little change in the weather. We're on top of Hurricane Mountain. Here's Audrey. Hey Audrey, wave hi. This is what the weather's looking like today. Not sure if you can hear me because I got the plate on here, but it's pretty snowy. We got lucky today. Not going to see much of any scenic foliage today. Foliage. We're past peak. They just replaced the decking and the stairs here this week. It's awesome. Awesome climb, awesome day. Weather really isn't that bad, so come on up and try sometime. We'll get an outside shot here. Here we are. This is what it looks like. A lot of white. I think we're in a cloud. There's the trail. I'll take some more pictures on the way back. We did a couple of shots on our way down from the Firetower there. Just met a gentleman, his name is Steve. He just came up. He said there's another group coming up on the way. This is all Rocky Mountain up here. Snow's kind of turning to sleet now, isn't it? It's more like a freezing rain. So you want to bear over toward that. Oh no, I think this way, honey. Over here, because we got to bear over to that marker. Just watch where you're going and as the tower disappears in the cloud. Look, you can't even see it, Audrey. Nice alpine conditions here. What's down here. Nothing marked. We want to go that way on. Definitely not this way. Just drops off over here to that boulder and then down. Okay, I'm going to put this away. Yeah, right down here I think we kind of climbed up, right? This right here. Down to there. I need both hands, so that's that. As we slowly make our way down this part, because it's really getting icy. We do have the mini spikes, but we haven't put them on yet. It's pretty much slush. I'm not sure how much they would grab. So as we look over, That's a good shot up there, bud. Pretty stuff here. Every single step. Ah. Into the winter wonderland. Oh, there's the trail marker. So if you get lost, just look for the trail markers. There's the sun coming out. We have to sit down to do this one. That's it for now. You'll get the nice forested part in here. Just want to get some shots of the different terrain here, because we're going from that nice rocky then down into this nice pine forest here. Hey? Super nice stuff here. Do a couple of minutes of this so you get the idea. It's not too terrible, it's just a dusting of snow. Well marked. Oops. And slippery. Some more rocky spots here. See down there? Pretty straight down. So a beautiful shot here. Up there is where the Firetower was. We just walked across there. Down in the valleys. Wish you could smell this balsam up here. This pine is awesome. Pretty snow. Pretty mountains. And believe it or not, this is the same mountain without snow. As we come down in elevation, the difference that it makes. Beautiful day. Nice yellows here, and we got pines here, over to there. It's hard to believe the same mountain we just came down. Yeah. Well, look at the size of that dam on the left, Audrey. I missed that on the way here. You see that thing? Oh, I missed it. I missed that whole thing. Wow. That's a huge dam. Look, boy, oh boy, look at the size of that thing. Okay, I wasn't watching. How'd you get over there? That is a huge dam. How did I miss that? Probably looking at something shiny. Yeah, it runs all the way around here too. Keeps going. Carry on. Nice shots here. Boardwalk. I gotta watch where I'm going. I'm gonna fall off. There's some beautiful shots right there. Oh, there's a big beaver lodge out there, Audrey. Did you see it? Good. As quick as the sun came out, there it goes. Up here, huh? Up here? Up here? Wow. Right? It's crazy.